Hi kids, hi parents. In this session, we are going to see memory hack number 2. This is something very disciplined one because you have to teach your kids discipline from the early age. If not, teach them right now because it will be helpful for their lifetime. So it is only a mere practice that we have to inculcate into their daily habits so that lifelong they will be disciplined and will be easy for them to achieve their goals and responsibilities very easier. So make them the practice. Today we are going to see the second hack of the day is like to make up the bed. Whenever we wake up, we just go outside and brush our teeth, we just do whatever we want, the morning routines. But once you make your kids do to make their beds, to fold the bed sheets, to just neat and tidy the bed spreads, whatever it is, just make them do the perfect thing. One thing is like, it is just like a brain, the brain which is getting cleared. Like we know as parents, as women, like when the house is not tidy, our head gets spinning. Like we don't know why we are getting unnecessary anger, anxiety, so much of stress that happens. But once you start cleaning your house, everything is organized, you feel better, you can think clearly. The same thing is with kids also. So what happens that sometimes they don't know really what is happening because of the mess around them. Ask them to first, once they wake up, make up their bed. It happens, it works magically. Now, it's been a year since I made up my bed because it is my duty, it is the duty of my kids, both the kids, to make up their bed once they are awake. Because we sleep in the same bed. I get up first, I just come out. They are the second and third who gets up. And once they got up, they fold their bed sheet neatly. They just keep it in the bed place where they have to keep the bed sheet. Just tap the pillows, and then the bed spreads which have been just like squeezed when they are, when we lay down, are being just pulled and neatly without any, even any wrinkle like in the bed. They just neatly do every side corner of the bed, and the bed is so tidy that their brain starts like it is cleared, like their mind is first cleared from the morning fog. No, this is not something that I'm giving work for them. This is something that I'm clearing their morning fog so that they can have a clear idea of what to do next. Once you don't know what to do next and what we are planning to do in a day, we always mess up and we always miss things. But once you make a practice of doing what you have to do first thing in the morning, like make up your bed, go brush, do the morning routines, and then come back, these things help them to organize their day in a particular way. It takes only hardly 7 or 10 days to practice them, but once they are practiced, parents will be so relieved that they are doing their job without any watchful eyes. And that is very important. Or else we have to shout from the kitchen, morning we are so busy, and asking them to do things. No, I have made them to do these things in this quarantine that I never have to bother about what they are doing right from they wake up till 1 hour, because I have given the first morning hour to make them more available to the day that is they are going to face. Okay, this is the second tip that I am giving it to you. Like, you ask your kids to make up their bed. It is very important. So once you make up the bed, right, when you go outside and when you come back to the bedroom, if you see a neat and tidy bed, it is like the bed is welcoming you. Just lay for 5 minutes. It is like we feel so happy to see a neatly done bed, and it helps us to relax our mind. And I make this practice that every day, if we go out for the school or whatever it is, when they go out, they have to make their room tidy so that once they come back, they don't get freaked out. They get relaxed, they see the organized thing in their room, and they get so they think peacefully and they know what to do next. And this is second hack. So try it and let me know in the comments how you felt doing it. Make your kids do. Relieve yourself from the burdens of some certain activities so that you will also have some time for you to spend with yourself to develop yourself. Yes. So we'll see you in the next hack.